Hello, I'm Jack.
Oh, hi, I'm Anne. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you. And so, this is the house?
Hmm,
It's really beautiful.
it is, but it's really difficult to keep clean.
Sorry, not a good start.
Don't worry.
So, your accent is very clear. Where are you from?
I'm from Oxford.
Wow, Oxford, 100% English.
Yes, and you are American. Is that right?
Yes, of course, but my family is from Italy, Bologna.
Oh, Italy. Italy is amazing. My sister is in Italy currently.
Where?
She's in Rome studying for Italian painters. She's really happy. Italians are so friendly. Oh, look, that's Alice.
Oh, hi.
She's also part of the family.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Alice.
So this is Jack, the new flatmate?
Yes, and he's from...
Oh, I'm from Sydney in Australia, and you are a Capricorn.
Yes, okay. Can I put my kids in the bedroom?
Oh, let me help you.
Okay.
Hey, this is nice. Where is this from?
This is from America. You like it?
Yeah. And what is this?
This is just a mask.
Oh, wow. Is it magic?
Yes, of course. But look at this. A bottle of Italian juice. You like juice?
Yes, I like juice.